Hey guys, Tony, good afternoon. SHIBA did break trend, super amazing. I did think from momentum, I did think it was gonna drop. So because we broke trend and because I do think we are gonna be headed back to 30 microcents, I'll do this. For every subscriber that I get starting after this video, I will buy, I don't know, I'll buy $1. Should I do $1 or $10? I'll buy $1 of Shiba Inu for every single new subscriber that I get. After this video comes out, I will buy $1 extra of Shiba Inu. You know, if this thing goes to, if I get a bunch of subscribers, or you know what, let's do likes. For every like that I get, I'll buy $10 worth of Shiba Inu. So if this video gets 200 likes, I'll buy $2,000 worth of Shiba Inu extra from what I already have right now. But yeah, I wanted to update because, like I said, I did think from just momentum, I thought we were going back down to 20 cents or 20 microcents. But I told you guys in my last video, we need to have, you know, break of trend and also break of resistance, which we had here at 25. And keep in mind, we've been on a consistent downtrend or consistent short-term downtrend, you know, ever since October 13th, which was what, maybe yesterday, and we really needed to break this momentum on the downside, which we just did. So I can expect either us to go straight to 30 microcents or down back to 25 and then running to the upside. But Shiba Inu is trending, is the #1 trending cryptocurrency on all social platforms all over again. So keep in mind, I would not be surprised if we keep running, and we actually hit, I think, 28 microcents on crypto.com. So, you know, I haven't sold anything. I haven't sold any of my Shiba Inu. I should have more than likely picked up here. I actually thought it was going to drop to around 20 microcents. So I'm like, you know what? If it drops to 20 microcents, I'll probably pick up like another grand of Shiba Inu. But I'll tell you guys what, if, you know, for every like that this video gets, I'll add another, you know, I'll buy another 10 bucks worth of Shiba. And for every follower or for every new subscriber that I get after this video gets posted for the next, I don't know, let's say up to the weekend, I will buy an extra dollars worth of Shiba Inu. But we'll see what happens, man. This thing is absolutely going crazy. Well, not going crazy, but you know, it's definitely breaking towards the upside, and I am 100% surprised at what's going on, and Shiba Inu having the momentum to run. I've told you guys plenty of times before, I do think that the multiple that Shiba Inu can return is so much greater than Doggy. I think Doggy at most will possibly run to maybe 70 cents, a full dollar this next bull run. But I do think that Shiba Inu can return 100x from where we are now. And keep in mind that you know, keep in mind that the actual market cap sits somewhere at around 10 billion. So if we do go from 10 billion to, well, I don't want to say 100x, I would not be surprised if Shiba Inu beats the previous market cap that Doggy had, which was close to around 100 billion. You know, I would not be surprised to see Shiba Inu break that 100 billion mark or even surpass it. So like I said, I wouldn't be surprised to see a 10x from here. So we'll see what's going on. I'm absolutely surprised at what happened. Definitely not complaining, but you know, meme coins are definitely not something to joke around about, because they can do some pretty surprising moves. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.